In the vibrant city of Paris, Marinette lived a double life as the superheroine Ladybug. With her magical Ladybug Miraculous, she fought villains to protect the city. Her greatest adversary was Hawkmoth, a dark figure who used corrupted butterflies or Akumas to turn ordinary people into supervillains. One sunny afternoon, Hawkmoth unleashed a particularly cunning Akuma named Chaos Butterfly. This villain had the power to create illusions that looked and felt real. Causing confusion and panic among the citizens of Paris, people saw their worst fears come to life, unable to distinguish reality from illusion. Marinette was at school when her miraculous buzzed with a warning. "Tiki spots on," she whispered, transforming into Ladybug in a flash of red and black. As she raced across rooftops, her partner Cat Noir joined her, his signature grin masking his own worry. They arrived at the bustling, where people were running in all directions, screaming and panicking. Illusions of giant spiders, collapsing buildings, and raging fires filled the square. Ladybug took a deep breath, focusing on the task at hand. "Cat Noir, we need to find the akumatized object," Ladybug instructed. "Chaos Butterfly must be nearby." Cat Noir nodded, his eyes scanning the chaotic scene. "Let's split up. We'll cover more ground that way." As Ladybug leaped onto a lamppost, a young girl caught her attention. The girl was in fear, clutching a stuffed bear. "It's going to be okay," Ladybug reassured her. Kneeling down, "None of this is real." Ladybug gently took the girl's hand. "You have to trust me. We'll fix this." With a quick hug, Ladybug sent the girl off to safety. Just then, Cat Noir's voice crackled through her communicator. "Ladybug, I think I've found the source. It's coming from the Eiffel Tower." Ladybug sprinted toward the iconic structure, her heart pounding. As she reached the base of the tower, she saw Chaos Butterfly, a figure with translucent wings and a sinister grin, perched high above. "Cat Noir, distract him while I get closer," Ladybug called out. Cat Noir nodded, vaulting up to engage the villain. "Over here, Butterfly Boy," Cat Noir taunted, swinging his staff. Chaos Butterfly hissed, sending waves of illusions at him, but Cat Noir deftly dodged them. Ladybug used the distraction to climb the tower, her yo-yo swinging with precision. As she got closer, she spotted the akumatized object, a butterfly pin on Chaos Butterfly's lapel. "Time to end this," she muttered, launching her yo-yo. It wrapped around the pin, and with a swift tug, she ripped it free. "No!" Chaos Butterfly screamed, reverting back to an ordinary man, confused and frightened. Ladybug quickly captured the Akuma, purifying it with a touch. "Miraculous Ladybug," she shouted, releasing a swarm of magical ladybugs that swept over the city, repairing the damage and calming the citizens. As peace returned to Paris, Ladybug and Cat Noir regrouped. "Good work, partner," Cat Noir said. "Thanks, Cat Noir. We make a pretty good team," Ladybug replied with a smile. Later, as Marinette returned to her normal life, she reflected on the day's events. She realized that facing fears, whether real or imagined, required courage and trust. She hoped the people of Paris learned that together, they could overcome any challenge. Moral: trust and courage are essential in overcoming challenges. By believing in themselves and supporting one another, Ladybug and Cat Noir showed that no problem is too big to handle.